Hi guys, this hacker here I'm going to open egg surprise, and my name is Joey. And first, I'm going to open the first one. Okay. Oh, I got Cinderella. Where is Hans? Oh, I got Cinderella. Oh, that is Hans. Look, I got. Hi guys, it's me again. My name is Joey. I'm gonna open another egg surprise. And also, look at the milk. It's melt already. Oh, crack the piece. Hi guys, it's me again. I'm gonna open the last egg surprise and egg. Charles, I rocked the piece. Okay, the new story now. Gotta open it. Oh my god, look at this. The egg broke the piece.